Hello friends, welcome to Show Me's World, and today I will be making this delicious and unique and a very easy recipe, the Bok Choy Maggi or the Bok Choy Ramen. It's made with instant noodles, so you can use any noodles of your choice. So let's get started. The ingredients here are very simple and minimal, so I'm using diced or chopped green chilies, garlic cloves, then some green onions also chopped, some sliced mushrooms, and nicely chopped and cut bok choy. So in a pan, first adding some oil for cooking. Once the pan is hot, adding in the chopped green chilies, the garlic cloves, and the spring green onions, the mushrooms, lastly the bok choy. So at this stage I have added all the veggies, the bok choy, mushroom, the green onions, and the garlic and the green chilies together. So I'm using here Maggi noodles. So you can use any kind of instant noodles of your choice. So the recipe is going to be exactly the same. The procedure will also be the same. Here I'm using 2 packets of instant noodles and adding them in the veggies, stirring them a little bit for some time, then adding salt as per your taste and 2 cups of water. Usually I add for 2 packets of instant noodles, 2 cups of water, so 1 cup for each packet. Once the water starts coming to a boil, now adding the taste maker. Here I have used Maggi, so adding the Maggi powder, mixing the powder well, and then keeping it in low flame, medium to low flame, and let it cook for at least 5 to 6 minutes. Once it comes to a boil, I am adding 1 egg directly into this noodles. So this step is completely optional. I love having eggs and I think this gives an additional taste, so I added it. If you want to opt out, you don't have to do it. So this is a very easy step, and I'm adding directly the egg into the noodles and mixing it well in high flame. You can see it gets cooked very well instantly. So cooking it for at least like 2 minutes or so, and yes, the Maggi is ready. This Maggi noodles, instant noodles, was really tasty. So friends, do give this a try and let me know how was it. Happy cooking. Bye bye.